Good morning guys, thank you for visiting my channel. There is this tiny wearable device that helps you maintain social distancing while keeping your privacy. Watch this video.
In our day-to-day lives, we gravitate towards each other. That's just how we're wired. We do it subconsciously. At home, at the office, while shopping. But coronavirus has changed all of that. We need to keep a safe social distance. And that's where Maggy comes in. Maggy warns you when you're nearing someone who is too close. It's a small wearable device that you can keep in your pocket. Maggy will trigger you with a sound or a light vibration. With a number of different settings, the Maggy companion app and platform can also provide you with a daily update on how well you did in keeping your social distance from others. Via the device, you can unlock Maggy, allowing her to detect other Bluetooth devices, mark selected devices as friendly, or personalize the sounds. However, you don't need the app nor the platform to enjoy the full detection potential of Maggy. Maggy is 100% privacy-proof. A global problem as gigantic as the coronavirus deserves a custom solution. Oh, and did we tell you that the tip of the device can also be used to press buttons? Maggy, the device to help you social distance safely.
Thank you once again for visiting my channel. Click that bell button for more videos like this. Thank you very much.